Hi everyone, welcome to my Passion with MVD. My name is MVD and in today's video I would love to unbox this Hoover. So let's get straight into this video. If you are new on my channel, welcome. Please kindly subscribe and do not forget to give this video thumbs up. So let's get straight into today's video. The manual, and this is the bag. Oh, this is really big. It's got so many parts. So this is the main part right here. Got the cable here, and the reason why I love this is because it doesn't make the house your storage. It doesn't make it messy. The other Hoover I got has its wires all over. I just had to fold it and it's all over. But with this one, it goes in just like this, and it makes it portable, easy. And at the top here, it's got a switch here. It's got a switch button here. And then this light indicates if it powers on or off. So I'm going to try and turn that on now. The suction is very strong. It's got something on the side, like on both sides. You pull it out like here, you pull it out like this, and then you bring this up. Turn it, and then it opens. So this is where the main engine is. Then you have the storage bag inside here. You have the storage bag in here. See? So this is how it works. I'll show you the inside. This is the inside. This is the bag. So it has a bag already inside of it, and it came with a spare. This is the spare. So what I did was I had to get extra bag, which I'm going to show you guys later. So this goes directly inside here. So it goes in there, you just clip it like that, and then that's it. So it's very easy. It's very easy. Once your rubbish is full, you just pull it out from here. You pull it out from here. And that's it. And you chuck that in the bin. So I'm going to put this back in. Then you place this one at the top. And then this sits right at the top. tuck it in. So I have I've got some extra bags which I said I was going to show you guys. So this is it. So that's it. So I've got like 10 of it inside. So that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys love this unboxing video. Please do let me know what you feel in the comment section, and that's it for today. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I will see you all in my next video. Have an amazing day.